Hi guys, it's your girl Cassandra,Olivia, and I wanted to do a quick video of my first ever viral video on Instagram. This video right here actually condensed to 45 seconds and it got over 200,000 views. So I decided to just put it on YouTube as well to show you guys a little bit longer of the process and like a how-to of what I did to get this bomb ass cut. So you guys already know the deal. If you're new, thank you so much for coming to my channel and visiting. It means the world to me. And if you are not new, thank you so much for coming back. Thank you for supporting me, guys. I'm trying to reach 10K. We are at 4K currently. I was just at 1K a couple months ago. So this is like making me super ecstatic, but I really appreciate the support, you guys. So I'm just gonna stop rambling and let you guys see what I did. Basically, this is just a silk press. Aaliyah's hair texture is already like wavy, so it's really easy to do. All I did was press her out, blow dry her, deep condition, did my normal. You can watch any of my videos to see what I did as far as that. And I'm just showing you guys a more detailed version of the cut because I cut a lot out on Instagram because it's only 45 seconds to a minute. So here's the cut, and then you'll see the bomb ass bob at the end that we did. Thank you guys so much for watching this. And if you like this cut that I did, give it a thumbs up and follow your girl on the gram.